I'm sure one of the most common questions you receive is how much does dry ice blasting cost?
Yes, that is one of the most common questions we receive. Usually it's a twofold question. A, the first question is usually, will dry ice blasting work in my project? And then B, how much will dry ice blasting cost? I wish there was a lock, stock, and barrel answer to both phases of that question, but there's not. Every job is completely different. As far as cost goes, there's many factors that go into that answer. The location of the project, the type of contaminant we're trying to clean at your project. The rate of removal is different on every job. How much ice will we need to take care of your project? How much time are we going to need to take care of your project? There's so many factors that go into it. There's no common answer. That being said, I can tell you that dry ice blasting on average is about 3 times more expensive than power washing. One thing potential clients need to keep in mind regarding the cost of dry ice blasting is that we solve a lot of their other problems. In most cases, there's no disassembly of a machine needed to be done for dry ice cleaning. There's very little downtime. In some cases, we can clean a machine while it's still running. So that's a huge factor in your cost savings as opposed to power washing or hand cleaning or things like that. We've literally gone onto projects and cleaned a project in a matter of hours where traditional methods can take days and much more manpower to do. So dry ice blasting might seem like an expensive way to do things, but when you factor in the whole picture, 9 times out of 10, it's actually a less expensive way to clean something.